Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a Hackerrank account on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up any web browser and then go to Google, and then inside Google type in Hackerrank create account, then click on search. And now from here, click on where it says sign up from hackerrank.com. This is the official website of Hackerrank. So now from here you can put in your full name, email, or your password. But if you've got Google connected to your phone, you can always sign up using any one of your addresses, or if you got one. So for me, I'm going to sign up using TutorialWiz for this demonstration. I'm going to click on continue as TutorialWiz, and now it's going to go ahead and verify my account. Click on OK. Here we go. So I'm going to accept that. And now, hey TutorialWiz, help us personalize your experience. So from here, step 1, you can prepare for job interviews or learn and compete with others. So for this one, I'm going to click on learn and compete with others. I am a student or a working professional. I'm going to do working professional. We can skip these steps, by the way. So if you like to skip, press skip. And now introducing dark mode, you can turn it on or not now. I actually like dark mode. And now from there, if I scroll up to the top and click on the 3 bars, you can see I've created an account. So there's log out, profile. Click in the profile. Here you can change any of these details. So you can change your first name, last name, headline. You can add a resume in here. You can get certificates, get certified. So what it says here, you have not earned any certificates yet. You can click on get certified if you want. You can add work experience, education, show links, add some skills.